Today we are going to create this bumblebee beehive print using our bubble wrap. We're going to start off with our yellow paper, and we're going to draw our bumblebee on our yellow paper using our oil pastels. And once we're finished with that, we'll paint our bubble wrap and make our print. So let's start off and pick a spot. We're going to start creating our bumblebee. And the first shape we're going to draw is this little oval, kind of made with zigzag wavy lines. And color it in. So go ahead, take your oil pastel, push down kind of hard so we can get a real good coat on there so it's easy to see, and color it in. The next thing we're going to do is create the bee's head by making an oval up here, and we're going to color that in too, or half of an oval really, or a half a circle, semicircle. And then we're going to make his little bug eyes on both sides. So we're just going to draw another little rainbow shape on each side to be his eyes. And then we're going to draw his antenna coming out the top. So we're just going to draw a line, kind of an ovally line, and then another one attached to it. Let's do the same thing over here. So he's got two antennas. It's his bee antennas. Okay, we're going to make the bee's body. And we're just going to come down here at the bottom of our wavy oval and draw a big oval shape. And we're going to color this oval in with some stripes. So let's start with some black stripes. And they're kind of curved a little bit. It's curving around the body. So kind of an upside down U shape. We'll make two of those. Colored in. And the parts that we didn't color in, let's color in with the yellow. Now I know it's going to be hard to see, but we'll want to go ahead and color this in with the yellow, so when we put our beehive paint on there, the paint will not go where our oil pastel is. So go ahead and color that in. Alright, get your black again. And we're going to draw the bee's wings. So we're going to start here and come down to this first stripe and make a little wing off to the side. Just a little small one. And then we're going to put a line through it to make it look kind of like a leaf. And then put a couple little branches coming off your leaf. Alright, go to the other side of the stripe, and let's do that again over there. Make the oval, line, and then a couple little branches. Looks like a leaf on a tree. Okay, we're going to come up here and make the big wing. So we're going to start right here where our wiggly oval and our body oval meet. And we're going to come out, go around, and then go in and touch your little wing. Kind of looks like a big candy cane. Alright, so let's come back down here and let's make our line through it to make it look like a leaf. Go all the way to the other side. And then draw a few lines. One here, one there. Looks like a bee wing. Looks like a leaf. And let's do the same thing on this side. Make a big oval, but go to your other wing and stop. Like a J, a backwards J maybe. And then go down here and bring your line up and make your little lines look like a leaf. Alright, all that's left is for us to make the legs and to color in our wings. So we're going to come up here where the body, the little wavy part in the head meet, and we're going to draw 3 lines attached to each other to be his leg and the little fingers at the end. Alright, so come over here, a line, a line, a line, and then some fingers at the end. Alright, come down here where your wing touches the body, and we're going to go the other way. We're going to make a line, a line, a line, and then some little fingers. Go to the other side, line, 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 some fingers. All right, 2 more legs. Let's come down here to the other stripe and do a same thing again. 3 lines and some fingers, 3 lines and some fingers. All right, let's put our black oil pastel away and let's get our white oil pastel, and I want you to color in your wings. Now the key here is to try to stay away from the black. If you get near the black, it's gonna smear and make it look real messy. So just kind of color. You don't have to get too close. If you leave a little bit of yellow, it's okay. Just try to stay away from the black. Color in all the little parts of your wings. And go to your other wing, color those in too. Try to stay away from that black so it doesn't smear. If it happens a little, that's okay. It happens. Just try to stay away from it. Okay. So go ahead and put your oil pastels away. We're done with those. And move your bee aside and pull your bubble wrap towards you. It's time for us to make our beehive, and we're going to paint our bubble wrap and then press our paper onto it to make it look like a beehive. So here we're going to go. We're going to dip our brush in our black and just super quick rub black. You don't need a lot of paint, okay? You don't want a lot of paint. It'll make it look kind of blobby. So just add some paint to your your bubble wrap. It should be super quick. All right, that is it. Now we're going to take our bee, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to lay it on top of our bubble wrap, and then we're going to rub it, and then when we lift it off, it's going to look like a beehive. Now, we've got to take our wipe or our towel and just go over the bee where the wings are to rub off the paint and on top of the bee here. If you can't get it all off, that's not a big deal. We just don't want it to stay on our bee. All right, there we go. That's it.